Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my correalistic people, you know, at times when some kind of things happen, you no go fit just sit down, you go dey watch, make the thing dey enter your eye. No, we go talk for inside the matter. So, you guys know that a lot has been going on between Pastor Emeka Livingston trying to expose the government republic house in USA, and you know what that means. If they get am hot. So today I just want each and every one of us to really listen to Pastor Emeka Livingston, what he said about the prime minister when everything seems so right. Then I will be right back to deliberate on it more better. Watch it and pick your opinion.
Someone ever addressed saying, when you heard rumors about me, you did not call me first as the fellow chairman because I'd been there before. That's what he said. To find out from me, you went out to the public. The intention of that man was to ridicule Simon Ekpa and then uplift it. That's why I tell these guys are not leaders. They are rulers. They happen to be there because of conditions. They have money, they have connection, they have been there, they're educated, they have resources. But that leadership, that innate leadership quality that abides in a man who sees the sheep as his responsibility is not there. When things get tough, they shift ground so as to protect their interest. And he did not call Simon Ekpa personally to ask him, find out what is going on. He brought him out to the public so as to ridicule him. But thank God, Simon Ekpa alone, single-handedly, dissected each and every one of them by answering their questions to show you how shallow they are in their thinking, but they are leaders. And somebody asked the question, all this while that we've been fighting, what have you contributed? They couldn't answer that question. The next thing, that lousy fellow, the Igbo leader in Finland, did was to say he had a meeting. After talking, he went off air. That's how you know. Those are chaff. They have nothing. They don't have content. He may have money. He may have education. He may have a good business he's doing. He may be recognized and respected, but he does not possess leadership quality. Leadership quality has nothing to do with education. It's the care of the people in your mind, to see your constituency as your priority. Those who are under you there, to see to their welfare. That's why I commend Honorable Azoka. Sorry, I'm digressing. I commend Honorable Azoka. She's a woman that listens. They burn down her house. Call her and tell her you have a problem. She will listen to you. But they burn down her house. That's how you know a leader. The care of the churches. Paul said, of all this that bothered me, the care of the churches. He cared about the sheep, the flock. And so this man came up to mess Simon Ekpa up, but he ended up exposing their ignorance, their double standards, double-faced attitude. And those of them who later on changed, I hope you changed for good. Because no matter how rich you are, you're not bigger than the Biafran people. And I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you as a matter of fact, every conversation you had with Simon Ekpa is recorded. It's on tape. We are going to play it again in Biafra. We are going to play it again in Biafra because Biafra will surely come. So, two things were standing before Simon Ekpa. One, they were telling him, Obi is an opportunity. It's a turn. Why don't we vote for Obi and then rule Nigeria for how many years? At most 8 years. And do what again? Relapse back into Fulani domination. Which
So, my correalistic people, you know why I am bringing this? Because I had a dream whereby Pastor Emeka Livingston and the Prime Minister reconcile. I'm telling you the truth. So, one mind said, no, you need to bring this update come so that something go do 9 things. Because if you listen to the speech of Pastor Emeka Livingston here, this is the really Pastor Emeka Livingston that I used to know and that I still know because I still believe in him and I believe that things will work out. He made a very good statement that hits me, that prompts me to bring this. He said, the Prime Minister asked one of the Igbo leaders in Finland that if you heard anything about me, before you conclude me, why did you not confront me? Why did you not ask me? If somebody carried a fake information or bring my issue to you, you have my contacts. You have what it takes to reach me. Why did you not reach me? He said, these are the words of Simon Ekpa to the Igbo leader in Finland. Now, I am also asking or passing the same message to Pastor Emeka Livingston. For peace sake, for who you represent, for who you are, and for the position Biafra puts you, and for the position that Christ, that is the ultimate, for the position that Christ puts you, and for the work that you do for humanity. Why don't you resolve this thing off camera? As you said that the Igbo leader, Simon Ekpa, told him, why did you not reach out to me? And you were even advising the Igbo leader that why did you not reach out to Simon Ekpa off camera? Why did he seek to pull him down? And I'm also asking, why did you not reach out to Simon Ekpa off camera? Why did you not settle this issue off camera? Why what is going on happening right now? Just imagine, just place yourself right now in the position of this Igbo leader. What will he say watching all this video? And you also make a good point that they gave Simon Ekpa some offers about Peter Obi, but it turned all down. But the scenario playing out there is so negative and is far back what you've told Biafrans about Simon Ekpa. But Pastor, believe me, you can still make amends. We can still make things work out. I don't like where there is conflict. I don't like where there is problem. And I know that things will turn around for the best. It's just a matter of time. So, my correlistic people, we are welcoming some important personnel in our midst. You know, we always acknowledge these people because it is not easy. Biafra Republic government in exile. We are welcoming Sister Shinyere as the immigration officer. Give her a maximum congratulations because it is not easy. And we have another beautiful one again, culture and tourism, Biafra Republic government in exile, Dr. Benedicta. These people, they deserve accolade. Please tell her congratulations and bring them here so that you will follow up everything that is happening. And we have another one again, pharmacy and laboratory, Biafra Republic government in exile, Dr. Joy. They deserve accolade. Please congratulate them. The purpose I'm bringing them for you is for you to know them and to follow up. While we have Prof. Anthony, the military deputy secretary of foreign affairs and diplomats of Biafra Republic government in exile. Please give them a hands of applause, man. Congratulate them for us because it is not easy. The purpose I'm bringing them is just for you to follow so that you know the faces of the people or the government or the council that is made up of a republic government in exile. It is not easy. I'm bringing them so that you follow up, and when you see them tomorrow, you know who they are and the office they hold, and you know that at times when the prime minister is declaring some kind of things, you know that he's not the only one that is making this decision. He has other people that he work with. So, my correlistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe as I keep giving you all the updates. Thank you so much and bye-bye.